Traveling can drain your energy fast. Long lines at check-in counters, heavy bags that hurt your back, delays that throw off your whole day. And do not get started on lost luggage or tight security checks. These issues turn what should be fun trips into real headaches. Many folks feel the same way. They dream of ways to cut the stress and boost the joy on the road. Picture this: smoother flights without the usual fights. Rides that feel fresh and easy. That is the goal for every trip. Good news hits now. This video steps in to help. We count down the top 7 travel gadgets that deliver real results. These tools change how you move from place to place. They fix common pains and add smart fixes. Take packing for one. Stuffing a suitcase often leads to mess and overpacks. The right gadget keeps clothes neat and space-free. Then there are airport woes. Scans and pat-downs slow everyone down. A simple device speeds that up and keeps your things safe. We share pics that pros swear by for long hauls or quick getaways. Why focus on these now? Air travel has bounced back strongly since the tough years past. Folks hit the skies more than ever. Yet the crowds and rules stay the same. That is where gadgets shine. They handle the chaos so you focus on the views. Watch as we break down each one. See how they pack light, skip the lines, charge your phone on the go, turn tough spots into smooth sails. Your next adventure waits, and these helpers make it simple. This is Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. First up, a high-capacity, airline-safe portable power bank. When you're navigating busy airports, boarding trains, or exploring remote locations, having backup juice is indispensable. According to the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, lithium-ion batteries carried on aircraft must be rated at up to 100 watt-hours (WH) for unrestricted carry-on. Batteries between 101 to 160 WH require airline approval. In 2025, many travel-focused power banks explicitly list watt-hours (WH) alongside the more common milliamp-hours (mAh) ratings, which helps avoid complications with airline regulations. For travel, it's advisable to aim for around 20,000 milliamp hours, that's 72 WH, for optimal mobile device coverage without exceeding limits. Additionally, look for USB-C power delivery support, which enables you to charge laptops, phones, and other gadgets quickly and efficiently. In short, a power bank you trust means no horror story of a dead phone mid-trip, ensuring you're equipped for navigation, communication, and capturing memories without the anxiety of low battery warnings. Second, a universal travel adapter with USB-C and surge protection is a vital companion on multi-destination journeys. You might find yourself landing in 5 different countries in a single trip, each with its distinctive plug types and voltage requirements. While a cheap adapter can perform the basic task of converting plug types, one that integrates USB-C power delivery and smart surge protection adds real value to your travel experience. In 2025, reviews of travel adapters emphasize features such as 170-watt laptop charging, built-in USB ports for simultaneous device charging, and secure plug mechanisms that fit snugly into various sockets worldwide. Instead of juggling multiple region-specific plug bricks, consider bringing one adapter unit that can handle global voltage, that's 100 to 240 V, includes USB-C and A ports, and effectively protects your gear from damaging voltage spikes that are common in less stable grids. When you travel, this gadget quietly becomes one of your most used items, streamlining your charging needs and ensuring your devices are powered without hassle. Third, noise-canceling over-ear headphones or earbuds serve as essential travel gear, significantly enhancing your travel experience. Whether you're sitting in a plane for 12 hours, waiting in a noisy hostel, or working at a crowded cafe, good noise-canceling headphones make a dramatic difference in comfort and focus. A recent review of a flagship model from Sony described 12 microphones that actively monitor and counteract ambient noise, Bluetooth 5.3 for high-quality wireless audio, an impressive over 30 hours of battery life, and market-leading noise cancellation designed specifically for travel use. In 2025, look for models that include an ambient sound mode, so you can hear important announcements while still enjoying your music. Multi-point Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to stay connected to two devices at once, and a compact folding design for ease of travel. Having these headphones doesn't just make your journey quieter, it transforms it, creating an oasis of calm in the chaos of travel, which can foster a greater sense of happiness and relaxation. Fourth, a dedicated portable Wi-Fi hotspot or travel router fundamentally redefines how you stay connected while exploring new destinations. Relying solely on hotel Wi-Fi or public networks can be risky. They may be slow, insecure, or both, leading to potential issues with data privacy or unreliable connections. A travel router or hotspot that supports global SIM or eSIM data coverage, Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E standards, and ideally is compact and lightweight, makes connectivity far more reliable and accessible. For instance, review sources in 2025 note models that support over 130 countries and double as a battery bank, adding functionality and convenience to your devices. If you're working remotely, streaming entertainment, or simply want better control of your network while exploring abroad, this gadget becomes a travel MVP. Key features to look for include a strong antenna for improved signal reception, dual or tri-band Wi-Fi for better flexibility, battery backup for when you're on the go, and possibly a gigabit Ethernet port if you need wired connections for stable performance.
Fifth, a compact luggage scale can seem mundane, yet it's an essential tool for any seasoned traveler. The potential to avoid hefty overweight baggage fees or the frantic repacking scenario in an airport is a genuine win that can save both time and stress. In 2025, reviews of luggage scales highlight accurate readings, hooks that accommodate all suitcase types, easy-to-read displays, and tear functions, allowing you to zero out the device with your bag already hanging. The value of simplicity often comes into play with travel gadgets. The weight of your luggage is one factor that shouldn't be left to chance. This tiny tool not only alleviates the worry of exceeding weight limits, but also eliminates last-minute scrambling to rearrange your belongings at check-in. Sixth, a portable water purifier or filter bottle becomes a vital asset for adventurous travel or trips to developing regions. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, while simple filters might remove bacteria and parasites, they do not address all potential viral threats. Thus, a true purifier or a reliable filtration system is often required for certain destinations where water safety is questionable. In 2025, guides highlight portable purifier bottles, UV sterilizing sticks, or pump filters that are especially suited for travel. If you're hiking, cycling, or simply visiting areas where the safety of tap water is uncertain, this gadget provides peace of mind and is far lighter than constantly purchasing bottled water. It's important to look for models that are rated for virus removal or those that utilize UV light or iodine as effective backup purification methods. Seventh, and finally, a multi-purpose compact packing cube or compression organizer with integrated RFID blocking is a smart travel tool that enhances organization. Although it may not be classified as electronic, it plays a crucial role in your travel gear arsenal. In 2025, travel gear reviews emphasize the importance of maintaining organization, using packing cubes to separate clothing types, access essentials quickly, compress down to save space in your luggage, and integrate features like anti-theft zippers or built-in RFID blocking pouches for your passport and credit cards. Travel gear blogs point out that a well-designed packing organizer can save you both time and stress in hotels, hostels, or transport hubs where organization is key. The best packing cubes are lightweight, made from durable nylon, and designed specifically to fit within carry-on luggage. If you often find yourself rummaging through the bottom of your suitcase, unable to locate essential items, this gadget has the potential to transform your travel experience significantly, making packing and unpacking a more streamlined process overall. So there you have it, our top 7 travel gadgets that actually work, 2025 edition. Let's quickly recap. First, a reliable power bank. Second, a universal travel adapter with USB-C. Third, high-quality noise-canceling headphones. Fourth, a portable Wi-Fi hotspot or travel router. Fifth, a luggage scale. Sixth, a portable water purifier or filter, and seventh, a smart packing organizer. Each of these brings real value, reduces stress, and means you travel smarter, not just with more stuff. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tech tips, and comment below which gadget you use most or which you plan to upgrade. Until next time, safe travels, happy packing, and may your next journey be fully charged, fully connected, and fully comfortable. Elite Trailblazer. From airport lines to smooth landings, we've got you.